Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw the Minecraft version of Huggy Wuggy, okay? Worlds collide. All right, let's get started. We already went through it. It's gonna be short, like an intro said. Let's get started, okay? I'm gonna start, so it's gonna be, everything's gonna be block form. So I'm gonna go over here and draw a straight line across. Okay? Up at an angle. Over here, up at an angle, right? We're doing Huggy Wuggy's head. And it's gonna be flat over here. Over here. And then over here on this side is gonna angle downward. Over here on this side, angle downward. So that's the blocky version of Huggy Wuggy's head, pretty much. Alrighty. Let's go over here for the shoulder. Over here for the shoulder. Line out over here for the top of the arm. Down. Over here. Down. Line across. Alrighty. So far so good. Getting that body down. Over here on this side we got this blocky arm. Line over here. It's kind of like, you know, like again, it's in chunks, right? Down. Down. Line across. Line over here. Down. Down. Line across here. Downward for the hand, right? Hand's basically like a biscuit. Everything is flat, obviously. Everything's a block. Okay. Go over here. Let's go over here. Well, let's go to the legs first. Over here. Line out. Over here. Line out. It's kind of to the knee. Then from the knee down to the foot. Down to the foot. Over here on this side. Down. Down over here. Over here on this side. So far they're just basically straws, right? Really simple stuff. If you want to make it look more like a block, you got to throw another edge on it. So for example, over here, I'll throw like another edge. Line over here. Edge, line over here. Over here on this side, edge, right there. Edge over here. Line across. Line out. Line out. You got this shoebox pretty much as a foot. Literally like a straight up shoebox. That thing is, wow. Line over here. Down. Cross over here. Cross over here. Down. Down. Line. Line back. Line over here. Top of the shoulder on that side, and we're going to put his other arm now over here, which is literally another block. Line out. Over here, the elbow. Line over here. Line over there. Down. Down. Line over here. And biscuit hand. So it's really just a square with a slit on the side of it, which makes it look a little bit more 3D. So it's like a square right there, or a rectangle, line right there, same thing right here. Same thing with these, by the way. This can make it look as well. Line right here, and it'll make it look like the other side of the box. Right here. But anyways, that's so far Huggy Wuggy's body. By the way, don't forget, hit the subscribe, click the bell notification, share the video. Those three. Sub. Really quick. Basically what it does is it lets me know what video works, lets me know what you guys want. Also, you want to improve in drawing, so the idea is when you subscribe, you're going to get a little dose of drawing every single day, so that like a year from now, you'll get good. Or at least you'll be better than you are now. Because the worst feeling is a year goes by and you're like, wow, I draw exactly the same and I've gotten 0. I feel like I don't even know anything more. that's the worst feeling ever, and you don't want that, right? So the idea is that I sub to a lot of different art channels for osmosis, even if I can't draw it. Even if like I'm not doing it with the person, I'll do it straight up for osmosis. And so do it for at least that, because that will help you work out thoughts, even when you're watching demos, because demonstrations are good. Go, let's put a line over the knees. But anyways, take a second to sub if, you know, what I do here is worth your time. If it's not, I totally have to understand. Go over here. Let's do the lips first. Line across, down, down, out, out, down over here, across. Now we're going to give it some thickness, right? This thing we just did here. And there's many different ways you could draw that. Down over here. Okay. Cross. Up here, down over here, across, up here. All right, that's his mouth. We'll do the teeth in a second, but right now we're gonna do his eye. Line over here, line over here, okay. Cross over here, down, cross over here, down. Okay, so he's got square eyes. If you want to do another thing 3D with him, draw the bottom. Like, see, go over here, down, go over here, down, and then go over here across. So you can see the bottom of him right there, right? Like that bottom square. Okay, let's go into his eyes now. Little square right there. Little square right there. I'm going to go over here and draw a line in, up, across, down. Same thing on the bottom. Down. Does that make sense? Little bar up, down, almost like little brackets on the top of and the bottom of his eyes. And we're gonna fill in this part. Man, if you love Huggy Wuggy, let me know, by the way, or Minecraft. You know what? I'm gonna say something. I've never played Minecraft in my life. I want to though, but I know that it will take my life. You know, like it will like take my whole lifetime. Like basically it'll be like way too busy. I don't have time basically. That's certain reasons why I never played certain games, because I knew it would take up all my time. By the way, don't forget to check out the cute drawing ebook in the description that has like this. Basically, if you want to draw something like cutesy, go to that ebook. Go check it out right now, because it's gonna give you directions on how to do that. It's literally 10 pages or something like that. Super easy. You just look at it, boom, it's a chart. So for example, you draw something cute per se, you don't make like the head bigger only. You have to make the head bigger, the nose smaller, the eyes larger. It's proportion, and I show you how to do that with that very, very, very easy formula that I put in that ebook. So absolutely pick that ebook up. It's super, super simple, and you just got it like that. Over here, I'm gonna go to the teeth, and literally the teeth are just square notches aiming downward, like piano keys. There we go. Literally just square. And then I'm gonna fill it in over here. Fill it in. Woo. Okay, that's it. If there's anything else 3D you want to do, maybe go over here to the right, line over here, and that'll show you, like, it's gonna look like a block, right? It'll look like giving that block look over there. Over here as well, you could do that along the arm. Anyways, that is so bizarre. This is like the weirdest thing I've ever drawn. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You're amazing, and I will talk to you very, very soon. And yeah, see you soon. Okay, later. Oh yeah, stay art ready.